What does 67 mean? The number 67 is a natural number that comes after 66 and before 68. In simple terms, 67 is a number used for counting, mathematics, and identification. For example, there are 67 students in the competition. This means the total number of students is 67. In mathematics, 67 is known as a prime number. A prime number is a number that can only be divided by 1 and itself. So, 67 can only be divided by 1 and 67. Numbers like 2, 3, 5, and 67 are all prime numbers. The number 67 can also appear in everyday situations such as age, addresses, scores, or statistics. For example, my grandfather is 67 years old. House number 67 is on the corner of the street. In simple terms, 67 is a number used in counting and mathematics. Easy way to remember: 67 is a prime number between 66 and 68.